Since the earliest days of human curiosity, we've looked to the stars and asked one simple question: are we alone? That question, so ancient and haunting, has driven explorers, inspired philosophers, and fueled generations of scientific discovery. And now, thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we may be closer than ever to finally knowing the answer. The James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, was launched with one mission: to see deeper into the universe than ever before, to peer beyond the veil of time, light, and cosmic dust, into the origins of everything. Its powerful infrared vision has already begun to rewrite what we thought we knew. But among all its groundbreaking achievements, one discovery may stand above the rest. Something subtle, something extraordinary, something that could change the course of human history. In its scans of the nearby red dwarf system Proxima Centauri, just over 4 light-years away, JWST has detected something unusual. On the surface of a small exoplanet known as Proxima b, long suspected to be potentially habitable, astronomers may have spotted the faint glow of artificial light. Not sunlight, not heat from volcanic activity, but something structured, intentional, possibly technological. It's the kind of discovery that forces us to pause, forces us to imagine. Could it be the lights of a civilization? Could someone out there, on that distant world, be harnessing energy, illuminating their cities, and perhaps watching their sky too? This idea is not new. Back in 2021, scientists asked whether a powerful telescope might one day detect artificial light from a distant planet, just like the glow from Earth's cities seen from space. If a civilization existed on a tidally locked world, with one side permanently facing its star and the other shrouded in eternal night, it might build vast solar arrays on the day side, using the harvested energy to light and warm the night side. These structures, if large enough, would have unique reflective signatures, ones we could detect. JWST may have done just that. Its sensitive instruments have picked up spectral patterns from Proxima b that don't align with any known natural process. Patterns that suggest structured light, possibly coming from technological infrastructure. It's too early to confirm, but even this possibility is staggering. Proxima b has long fascinated scientists. It's larger than Earth, likely rocky, and lies in the habitable zone, the so-called Goldilocks zone, of its star. Though it orbits close to its red dwarf sun, completing a full year in just 11.2 Earth days, the low brightness of Proxima Centauri means temperatures might still allow for liquid water. More importantly, that dimness makes the detection of artificial light easier. Unlike Earth's sun, this red dwarf doesn't overwhelm faint emissions from a nearby planet. And that makes Proxima b an ideal candidate for finding signs of life, especially intelligent life. The implications are massive. For the first time, we may be observing a trace, a hint, a whisper of someone else out there. Someone capable of building, illuminating, surviving, maybe even wondering about us. It's not just light, it's intent. It's the possibility of a civilization that has reached out into the darkness of space and left a sign of its existence. But with the thrill of discovery comes the weight of consequence. Are we ready for the truth? What if the answer is not comforting? What if we find life far more advanced or far more alien than we can comprehend? These questions are no longer just for science fiction. They are scientific, philosophical, existential. JWST's mission isn't only about finding distant planets. It's about understanding ourselves. Every new discovery challenges our assumptions about biology, technology, and even our uniqueness. For years, we believed that intelligent life must be rare. But now, with over 5,600 exoplanets identified in more than 4,600 systems, the odds are changing. And many of those planets orbit stars just like Proxima Centauri, red dwarfs, the most common type in the galaxy. That means Earth may not be unique. Intelligence, technology, civilization, these may not be miracles. They may be patterns. What if Proxima b is one such pattern? A planet with one side forever bright and one side forever dark. A place where an advanced species may have found ways to survive both fire and shadow. If they've built infrastructure to manage heat, generate power, and spread across their world, we may be seeing the glow of that progress now, reflected back through JWST's golden mirrors. Even if these lights turn out to be natural, the journey itself matters. The act of searching makes us better. Every signal we study teaches us more, not only about the universe but about ourselves. The telescope doesn't just send back data. It sends back perspective. JWST was built by thousands of hands from across the world. It's a symbol of what humans can achieve when we unite. Not for war, not for profit, but for knowledge. It floats silently, beyond the noise of Earth, focused on questions older than civilization itself. And now it may be whispering the beginning of an answer. Perhaps we are not alone. Perhaps others have already crossed this threshold. Perhaps someone is watching us back, wondering about the strange, flickering glow of our own planet, asking the very question we once asked of them. This is not just a scientific revolution. It's a spiritual one. It's the moment we stop being a species confined to one world and start becoming something more. A civilization reaching outward, across the stars, across time, across imagination. The light from Proxima B may be real. It may not. But the fact that we can ask the question seriously, that we can detect it, study it, and prepare to confirm it is a milestone in itself. We are no longer children of the Earth. We are children of the galaxy searching for kin. And as we listen more closely, with better instruments and sharper minds, we carry with us a quiet hope. That in some far-off place, someone else is also looking up, also asking questions, also wondering if they are alone. And maybe, just maybe, they've already seen our light.